Have you ever wondered if there's a smarter way to dominate TikTok Shop UK without wasting hours guessing which products will actually sell? If you've been struggling to find reliable winning products, track competitors, or even understand the market on TikTok Shop, then you're going to want to stick around, because today, we're diving deep into Kalodata. Kalodata is quickly becoming one of the most talked about tools for TikTok Shop sellers in the UK. Why? Because it gives you access to real-time product insights, sales tracking, and competitor research that can completely change the way you sell. Imagine cutting out the guesswork and knowing exactly which products are trending, how they're performing, and who's selling them. That's exactly what Kalodata delivers. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, if you're serious about scaling on TikTok Shop UK, I've dropped a link in the description that gets you 10% off Kalodata. Make sure to check that out, because if you're going to use a tool like this, you might as well save some money while you're at it. So, how does Kalodata actually stack up? First off, the product database is massive, and it updates constantly. That means you're not just looking at yesterday's winners, you're seeing what's working right now. The competitor analysis is also a game changer. You can spy on successful sellers, see their best products, and even track their ad strategies. For anyone selling on TikTok Shop UK, that's a huge advantage. Another feature that really stands out is the analytics dashboard. It breaks down sales volume, revenue estimates, and product rankings in a way that's super easy to understand. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned seller, it gives you the data you need to make confident decisions instead of gambling on products. At the end of the day, Kalodata is about one thing: helping you sell smarter on TikTok Shop UK. And if that's your goal, it's definitely worth checking out. Don't forget, the 10% discount link is waiting in the description, so grab that while it's still available. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.